Turas is the collaborative itinerary planning tool for your next adventure. The easiest way to get started is by clicking Help and start from a sample trip. This will create a sample 5-day itinerary to Big Sur, California. First thing we can do is to set a start date for our trip. As soon as we do so, the actual days of our trip get updated, as well as each day of our trip. As we're planning, it's really useful to be able to reorder our days. We can do so just by dragging and dropping. We can do the same for the places on our trips. We can just drag and drop and move them around. Selecting any place shows it on the map, and if we select two places, we can visualize the route between them. As you're planning your trip, it's really useful to be able to see your trip in a calendar view. This is really great if you're still looking for flights or figuring out when you actually want to start your trip, because it lets you visualize the structure of your trip with different starting dates. You can also add checklists to tours. So for example, your packing list. One of the great features of Turas is that you can generate a condensed trip summary. This is great if you need to send your itinerary in an email or a text message. You can choose what to include in your trip summary, for example, the travelers, the days, the places, and maybe just the confirmed places. Click Copy to Clipboard, and you're ready to send it off in an email. What's great about Turas is that you can take it with you. It works just as well on your mobile device as it does on your desktop. You can see your trip. You can view it in calendar view, and you have full access to your checklist as well. So I hope this quick overview gives you a good idea of how you can use Turas to plan your next adventure.